Hey, this is Main Art. Hope all is going good. Today I'm going to jump in here and I'm going to get right in with a gargoyle character. So I'm going to start with charcoal, see what we can do here. From here, I'm going to shape out what could be kind of wings. Make it a little bit weirder. Cut this up. That's a neat idea. I definitely invite you to check out some of my other videos as well. But today, let's see what we can do here with this character. And this is just going to be a rough design start from here. And I'm going to get back in, of course, see what we can do, adding some details to it. But for now, I'm just going to get some really rough outlines of the face. All right, so this interesting looking thing. See, we'll come off of this side with wings as well. And this drawing, this is just going to be complete kind of a freestyle where I'm not sure exactly where it's going to go or how the end drawing will look, but I'm going to just follow the shapes and see how it turns out just with our charcoal. Just a really weird looking thing. Just kind of let that run wild, almost like feet. Say it has weird hands. Let's see where we can fit that in. But for now, I'm just going to focus on the shape and then some of the dark. From here, I'm going to jump in with some pastel. Let's see if we can add some dimension to it, some different colors initially. Start very loose with that and then jump back in. start to work in even some deeper colors and see how that looks. All right. From here with the charcoal, I think I'm gonna just start to let it run wild a little bit. Let's start adding some really cool different textures and lines. Coming dark on this side. So just using the blend of the charcoal plus the pastel, you can start getting some interesting muscle textures and cuts. Whether it's the arms, the legs of this thing. All right, so weird, definitely a weird character here. Let's get into more of the head and the face, see what that looks like. Maybe we'll do come in with a lighter feel here. Kind of let that run wild. Okay, from here, jump back in. Let's really get some charcoal going in this section. Add some shading underneath the bottom of these kind of horns, gives it some dimension. So let's get some yellow, see if we can work in some of those eyes. All right, from here, let's extend it out a little bit further. Just add some teeth, different kind of teeth. All right, from here, let me get some more coloration in there. See if we can start to make this pop a little bit. Gonna just paint in some yellow streaks. That's a cool effect. All right. Then go back in with the charcoal. All right, so even get in more dark. Get some weird arms. Just gonna paint in this outside wing and then see what kind of details we can add. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely an interesting looking character so far. I'm gonna just keep adding some charcoal, and then that might be it for today. For this interior too, I want to get some weird kind of strands and connections and interesting kind of sinew. And if you like this kind of art, I definitely invite you to check out my other stuff. You know, I have a collection of different characters I've been doing, just having fun. Some pirates type stuff, vampire, you know, different original, some different characters. All right. And that's definitely the beauty of the charcoal and pastel, is how they just can merge, work together, create some really neat stuff, cool structures, coloration. You know, really kind of get some different dimensions, how they work together. A little bit of shade under that side. Darken up the face a little bit, and then I think should be in good shape. All right. A few more details as I'm seeing how the light's hitting certain areas. Just want to add a little bit more texture, really get that effect. Right, well, thank you so much. This is Main Art. Be sure to check out my other videos, and of course I invite you to subscribe if you like this type of art. And take care, keep drawing.